What you are looking at right now is a content engine. No human is writing these posts. No human is scheduling them. No human is formatting them for YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, or a blog. n8n is doing all of it, automatically. And by the end of this video, you will have built the same thing, long. n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform. That is all you need to know about what it is. What matters is what it does. It connects your AI tools, your social platforms, and your content ideas into a single automated pipeline that runs while you sleep. Let's build it, right now, from scratch. First, your n8n account. Go to n8n, Cloud, and click Get Started. Pause. Use the free trial. No credit card required for this build. Once you are inside, you will see the dashboard. Do not click anything yet. There is one setting most new users miss. Go to Settings, then Execution Settings, and set the timeout to 300 seconds. Pause. This prevents your workflow from timing out when the AI takes longer than expected to respond. That single change saves hours of debugging later. Long pawn, now you are looking at the canvas. This is where everything gets built. Think of the canvas as a flowchart. Each box is a node. Each node does one job, and you connect them left to right, in the order you want things to happen. The left side is always your trigger, the event that starts the workflow. The right side is always your result, what gets published or saved. Everything in between is your logic. Let's add the first node. Click the plus button in the top left. Search for Schedule Trigger and drag it onto the canvas. Click it to open settings. Set the interval to every day at 9 a.m. This means your content engine will fire automatically every morning at 9, generating and publishing without you touching a single button. Click Save. You just built the heartbeat of your entire system, long. Now we add the AI brain. Click the plus button, search for OpenAI, and connect it to your schedule trigger. Inside the OpenAI node, you will need your API key, Open Time Platform. OpenAI, in a new tab. Go to API Keys, copy your key, and paste it into n8n. Now set the model to GPT-4o. This is the model that produces the most consistent, publication-ready content. Long. Here is the most important part of this entire build, your system prompt. Inside the OpenAI node, find the system message field. This is the instruction your AI reads before it writes anything. Paste this exactly. You are a professional content strategist. Write content that is direct, practical, and immediately useful. No filler. No generic advice. Every sentence must earn its place. Hi. That prompt alone separates your content from 90% of what AI produces by default. Now, the user message. This is where you tell the AI what to write today. In the user message field, type, write a 150-word LinkedIn post about one practical AI automation tip that saves at least 2 hours per week. Include a specific example. End with a question that drives comments. Click Test Step. Watch the right panel. In about 4 seconds, you will see fully formatted, publication-ready content appear. That is your AI content engine producing its first piece. Long. But one platform is not enough. We need to format this output for 4 channels simultaneously. Pause. Add an if node after OpenAI. Connect it. This node reads the content length and routes short content to Twitter, medium content to LinkedIn, and longer content to your blog and YouTube description. Inside the if node, set condition 1. Character count is less than 280. Route to Twitter output. Condition 2. Character count is between 280 and 700. Route to LinkedIn. Everything above 700 goes to blog and YouTube. Click Save. You just built a smart routing system that formats one piece of content for every major platform automatically. Long. Now let's publish. Add an HTTP request node after each route. For LinkedIn, you will need a LinkedIn API access token. Go to LinkedIn Developer, create an app, request the ALS W member social permission, and paste the token into your HTTP request node. Set the method to post. The endpoint is to maint by LinkedIn. Map the output from your OpenAI node into the request body. This is the node that actually sends the post to LinkedIn. Click Test. Check your LinkedIn profile. The post is live. Long pause. Before we move to publishing on other platforms, let's add the content archive. Add a Google Sheets node connected to your main content output. Map 4 fields: the date, the platform, the content text, and a status column set to Published. This log becomes your content performance dashboard. Every post your engine creates is tracked here automatically. Most n8n users skip this step. Do not skip it. In 3 months, this sheet becomes your most valuable marketing asset. A complete record of what worked and what did not. Now let's test the full workflow. Click the Execute Workflow button at the top of the canvas. Watch each node light up green one by one. Schedule trigger fires. OpenAI generates content. If node routes it, HTTP request publishes it. Google Sheets logs it. Every node green means success. If any node shows red, click it. The error message is always specific. Most common error is an expired API token. Fix the token, rerun, and it will pass. Here is the advanced layer that most tutorials never show you. After your OpenAI node, add a second OpenAI node. This one scores the content before it gets published. The system prompt is, "You are a content quality reviewer. Score the following content from 1 to 10 based on clarity, specificity, and engagement potential. Return only the number. Pause. Then add an if node that reads the score. If the score is below 7, the content loops back to the first OpenAI node and regenerates. If the score is 7 or above, it proceeds to publishing. This feedback loop makes your engine self-improving. Bad content never reaches
right
your
down
audience.
there, and make sure you hit the bell icon too.
Your content engine
watching.
is now live. Let's talk about what this is actually worth. Agencies are charging clients between $500 and $2,000 per month to run this exact workflow for them. You have now built the underlying system. Package it, give it a name, and you have a service business. Or simply run it for yourself and reclaim the 10 to 15 hours per week most creators spend on content distribution. Here is your action plan for today. Step 1. Complete your n8n account setup and configure the schedule trigger. Step 2. Connect your OpenAI API key and test the content generation node. Step 3. Build the IF routing node and connect one publishing platform. Do not try to finish the full build in one session. 3 modules today, 3 tomorrow. You will have a live content engine by the end of the week. The creators who automate content distribution own their time. You are now one of them. If this workflow saved you hours, subscribe. The next video covers adding an AI image generator directly inside this workflow, so every post your engine creates also generates its own visual. That is where this gets really powerful. See you there.